Assalamu alaikum, 8th class. I welcome you all in EBSEC's online sport program. I am your lecturer Zamaratia. Today we will talk about theme number 2, Islamic history. Topic name is the rise and the fall of Ottomans. Week number 5, lecture number 1. Before starting the lecture, I want to discuss few important things with you. Most of the work in history online sport program is reading and comprehension, so you don't need to submit your assignments. You have to maintain small notepad or booklet to prepare glossary and keep record of research work. You can also highlight important point on your book information boxes that are given to you on your book. You can go through reading. You can also make timeline of all the important events. Here is the syllabus for this week. In this week we will discuss about the causes which led to the foundation of the Ottoman Empire, about the Mehmed II and the achievement of Mehmed II. Causes that led to the foundation of Ottoman Empire. Here is the timeline that shows the rise and fall of the Ottoman. It started from 1299 to 1922. I want to tell you something about the Ottoman Empire. The Ottomans, may Allah bless them and reward them for their amazing work. Ottoman Empire was the one who carried the flag of Islam for centuries. The Ottomans ended the Byzantine Empire in 1453 when they conquered the Constantinople. There was a time in the history of Muslims, a great time of the Ottoman Empire, a great empire that shook the world. So, you can see a map on page number 36, Blue Mosque of Istanbul, map of Ottoman Empire, modern day it is called Turkey. Foundation of the empire and early Ottomans. In 1298, the Seljuks, a Turkish Muslim tribe, captured the area of modern day called Turkey and allowed the local tribes to stay. The Seljuks settled there and established many small kingdoms. The strongest was led by Ottoman in western Anatolia. He is considered the founder of Ottoman Empire. So, Ottoman Empire was founded by Ottoman. 100 years after the death of Ottoman, the Ottoman rule began to extend from eastern Mediterranean to the Balkans. And after the death of Ottoman, his son Orhan started the legacy as a successor. And then important achievement of the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire became one of the world's highest Islamic empire because of the great achievement. Then area of the Ottoman Empire. The Ottoman Empire, some of their most important achievements were in the field of arts, science and culture. The Ottoman Empire eventually became one of the world's highest Islamic empire and included parts of Middle East, Eastern Europe and Northern Africa. 36 sultans ruled the empire for more than 600 years. 36 sultans, and they ruled the empire for more than 600 years. The most popular being Mehmed II and Suleiman the Magnificent.